Hi, this is Pat Garrity with the Trilliant Real Estate Group, and I'd like to welcome you to another Central Alberta Monthly Market Minute. We're here today. We're going to go over and review the sales from four of our local communities: Sylvan Lake, Red Deer, Black Falls, and Lacombe. We're going to look at inventory levels. We're going to look at number of sales and compare it to the same time last year. I hope everyone's had a great 2021. The real estate market is as busy as it's ever been in Central Alberta, with an outstanding year across the board. We even saw some moderate price increases, and that will really help some of the people that maybe have bought their homes, 2014, 2015, that they'll actually have equity moving forward. We're looking at, again, another respectful year, and we're cautiously optimistic for 2022 here in Central Alberta. So let's get started. And all you have to do is go to trilliantrealty.ca, and then under the general tab, Central Alberta Real Estate Market Update, and that'll take you to, you'll see here, we got all our months, previous months. Go to November. This is actually a November one because we are reviewing November statistics. Okay, so let's take a look at Sylvan Lake as an example. Way more balanced than it's been throughout the year. There was a time in the height of our market, in the middle 6 months, in June in particular, that we were down to less than a month of inventory in the detached category, of which today we're sitting at 4.1 months of inventory. So that means if no new houses were listed today, then in 4.1 months, all the inventory would be gone. Okay, so nice. That means that right now there's, we had 13 sales in the month of November, 18 new listings. So there again, new listings are creeping up. Average home sale prices across the board, median, is up about 4% from this time last year. Remember, the majority of our growth kind of began from an equity perspective, began late January, early February. We start to see things rise a little bit. That's when we really kind of saw our market change. Almost overnight. It was actually a couple of weeks. It went from a buyer's market to a seller's market, just like that. We're kind of shifting back, and we're in a comfortable position. Okay, I don't think that either party, the buyer or the seller, are at in an advantage right now. We see that slide up into the 6 months inventory. Definitely take a look at the attached inventories, 12 months. Clearly, that's a buyer's market in that type of inventory. Apartment style condos, same thing. Let's go down and look at Red Deer for November. Boom, sitting right at 4.0 months. It crept up here this fall, and it kind of seems to be peaking at 4 months of inventory. Overall, down 2% from where it was a year ago. We had 86 home sales in November. Okay, which is great. New listings 127. That look at that, 61% increase. 61% increase across the board. But 86 home sales, I think it was 28 last year. So definitely a massive increase in the number of single-family homes for sale. Part of that is there was a little bit more inventory on the market, and there was ready buyers ready to go, ready to take advantage of the incredible interest rates that are out there right now. New listings are up 24%. So we're up to 190 brand new listings in the month of November in the city of Red Deer. Median sale price down 2%. There again, 330 in the detached category. So what does that tell you? You got a house, $330,000. Let's say $330,000. The most number of deals are kind of in that price range. Black Falls. Check that out, 3.4, balancing out. 0 apartment listings in Black Falls right now. But we're down, months of inventory is down 17% from where it was a year ago. Home sales are up 4%. New listings up 36%. Okay, most of which are in the detached category. So there again, more new listings than home sales in that month. So as that inventory starts to go up, our market either balances out or shifts towards the buyer or shifts towards the seller. Median sale price is $320,000, up 12%. What does that tell you? That tells you we had some pretty good sales in the month of November in the town of Black Falls. So we probably saw some pretty pricey stuff go off, and so it elevates those numbers a little bit. Lacombe, 4.4 months. Lacombe is just our steady Eddie Lacombe. It is down 9% in terms of months of inventory over last year. 14 home sales in the detached category, 17 new listings. New listings up 50%, home sales down 11%. So, but at the same time, remember, that's compared to last year at this time. We've had incredible weather up until this week here in the middle of December, but we've had incredible weather. So that encourages people to always be out looking. We'll see what happens now as we start to hit a little bit more frigid temperatures and we head into the Christmas break. We always say that Christmas creates a black hole in our schedule, and it does every year. People lose focus. They're not looking at houses as much. However, they're always looking at online. People are always looking at homes online and planning for the new year. But back to Lacombe for a second, 321.5 as a median home sale in the detached category. And so that's really good. So those are some really good stats. They're kind of on par for where we've been going previously in the fall, and showing us that the market is stabilizing a little bit. It'll be interesting to see what January brings. Open rate variable mortgages right now are amazing, super low. Your 5-year fixed rates coming in through a mortgage broker are right around that 2.7%, up almost a full percentage point from where they were in September. That typically follows, there's other economic factors that go into that, but what is that telling us? It's telling us, if you're looking at buying, probably sooner than later. It also tells you as a seller, now is not a bad time to put your house on the market, either, later this year or early next year. But anyways, yeah, a great year. We'll come back in early January and recap the year as a whole. We'll look at 2021 versus 2020. I want everyone to have a great holiday season. Stay safe out there. Enjoy each other. Enjoy each other's family. And just Merry Christmas to everybody. And if you have any messages or you'd like to get a hold of us, you can send us a message in any one of our socials. You can call us here at the office. We'd love to hear from you. And all the best in 2022 as we sign off here in 2021 from the Trilliant Real Estate Group. Have a great day.